Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I share the recipe of peanut butter cookies. As Valentine's Day is just around the corner, I made some cute little heart-shaped cookies. I hope you will like this video. Do try it at home if you like it and share it with your loved ones. If you want more such videos, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share. Let's get started. Ingredients you will need are 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 creamy peanut butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and some red food color. I am using the gel one. Take a mixing bowl, add the powdered sugar, now add the baking powder and mix it properly. Add 1 cup peanut butter, add the egg, and whisk it properly. Make a smooth mixture. Fold it properly and add the food color. 3 drops would be enough. Spread the color evenly. It should look like this. Take a grease tray, take a small ball of the dough and shape it with your fingers. You can also use cookie cutter. As I don't have one, I'm using my fingers. Now bake them at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes in a preheated oven. I'm using convection mode here. Our cookies are ready. Let me break a heart and show you it's cooked or not. But it's perfectly cooked. Let me remove the broken heart. Just look at them. Aren't they pretty?